Sasquatch Mom, and we are at a hiking trailhead around Jackson Creek, and I have Sam, and I have another dog, my brother's dog, Hiro. So Sam has been pet sitting Hiro in Castle Rock while my brother and his wife are gone. The Albuquerque Balloon Festival, how fun. So Sam has been watching them, and I decided to come up and we'll take him hiking. Unfortunately, Caspian and Travis had to stay home. So we have been here before. We were at this trailhead briefly and I heard a growl. And then we were farther down the road and Sam may have seen a Bigfoot or a bear. He can't decide. All right, well, we'll see what happens. I am hearing some really curious sounds, like maybe baby chipmunks, baby squirrels, I don't know. Let's listen. Interesting. Well, they're down there, so I better go catch up with them. I think that last time we were here, we went over that way to those boulders, and that's where I heard the growl. I guess we are going down. Oh my goodness. This is a big down. This is really a motorcycle trail. So we will see what happens. You can see how thick these woods are. Very squatchy, and I hear something down there. Now maybe they're people, maybe they're motorcyclists, because we saw on another trailhead there's definitely a motorcyclist, but it is very quiet and kind of oppressive feeling. So it's giving me a little bit of the willies, maybe just being paranoid, but we will see. Still very quiet, except for possibly some motorcycles. But it's definitely very pretty with the fall foliage. Not very many aspens though. There's a valley down below, and the road we are on goes up to Rampart Range. So anyway, I don't know how far we're going to go. And just as usual, see what we can see. So we're gonna just sit on the ground and have a snack and listen and relax and then go back up. But there is a tree break. We'll see. We've sat here and had our snack and thrown sticks and pine cones and to see how awful we are at throwing. Yeah, pathetic. So we're gonna wait for these motorcycles to pass, and then we're gonna go back up the trail, and Sam and I are probably gonna go out to dinner. Don't know where, but it seems like the further north you get, the closer to Denver, the more populated everything is. Although, like I said, he has seen something on this trail, whether it was a bear or a Bigfoot. It was 2 furry legs that he saw taking more than 3 steps, so who knows. But we will see what happens. And you know, last time we were in the mountains a week ago or so, we had an incredible time hearing vocalizations and being scared a lot. But so you can't always have those exciting times. Sometimes it's just a matter of being still and being in the woods and listening to the plethora of airplanes going overhead. All right, well, we will head back as soon as we hear these motorcycles have gone up the trail. So we're heading back to the trail. I still hear motorcycles, and we heard a person and maybe a dog down that way. I don't know. Sam heard 3 whistles that way, but I don't know. But I don't like being near motorcycles or people. I mean, I come to the woods to get away, and being an introvert, that's very important to me. So, and then Sam and I feel like, you know, the Fellowship of the Ring, where get off the road. That's how we feel about that. So anyway, well, here we are back here. So it's gonna be a climb up and up and up and up. Don't like going down and then up, but that's the way it is. All right. Whew, let's see what happens. All right, we have one more hill, and then we're going to the car. We're going to sit in the car for 15 minutes. Sam's been watching Small Town Monsters with Alex Pedikov, one of our favorite series and Bigfoot researchers. And what Alex does is sit in the car for like 15 minutes, so we'll try that for a bit. Of course, we have this dog, so I don't know how long we'll be able to sit, so we'll see what happens, but the big climb is ahead. All right, I was wrong before. This is the last hill. So, and Sam is so tired. He's walked this dog twice a day since Monday. So, oh, and he's a good dog owner. He found his poop. Okay, up, and up. Okay, now we're in the car and we're going to sit here for a few minutes and try not to make too much noise. Ha 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 ha. Of course, the dog is making plenty of noise. Alex may not have had a dog with him. Sometimes he does. Somebody has a dog. Chewy? Yes.
He's playing with the bag. I don't know if that's a good idea.
What bag?
The bags that are back there.
Oh, and they're not plastic.
I don't think this works.
No.
It's not fair.
What?
It's not fair. He has so much energy.
He's worn you out.
He could keep going and going and going.
He's like the energy bunny. You never know when you listen on earphones, so you'd be surprised how much I hear. There's another good birthday present. Voice recorder. This time. Oh, I hate to tell you this.
What?
I washed my compass.
Does it still work?
I have no idea.
Of course you did. I shouldn't give you anything.
That's probably true.
Well, you got them, I guess.
Well, yeah, I got them for LARPing.
Good thing you haven't washed your phone yet.
Well, I didn't throw my phone away either, like my mother did. Seems like I threw something major away and Dad had to dig through the trash.
It's so quiet.
Except for him. Okay, so we stayed for a few minutes, but this dog is really excited about the woods. So Sam walked him around a little bit, and I said, I hope you don't leave me alone in the car, in the woods in the dark. So anyway, we are going to go down the hill and find somewhere to eat. And Unfortunately, Sam's gonna have to do some cleaning up in my brother's house, so that's gonna be fun. But he is really tired. This dog tires him out, and Sam tires the dog out. All right, so that's all. And by the way, I don't think that this trail is worth returning to. It's not very interesting. So we probably won't come back here. But a little bit farther down on the road, that was definitely worth it. We might try there again sometime. Okay, so that's all. This is Sasquatch Mom. Have a Squatch-tastic day.